Hello, everyone. Welcome. We'll get started shortly. Welcome, everyone. Miranda, welcome, welcome. Hey, Gary, welcome, Gary, welcome. Thank you. Hey, JC, welcome. Robert, welcome. Hey, guys, we'll get started shortly here. Welcome. This is a Q&A this evening. So a Q&A. We'll get started shortly. Hey, Gerald, welcome. Welcome, Gerald. Welcome. Hey, guys, we'll get started shortly. If you're here for the first time, welcome. We'll get started shortly. This evening is a Q&A. And we'll also take a look at the markets. We'll get started shortly. We'll take a look at the Forex market this evening. Cryptos. And also equities. Hey, Ray, welcome, Ray, welcome. Guys, we'll get started shortly. Welcome. Hope everyone had a great weekend. Back to work. Time to get back to work, right? Things are picking up a bit in the Forex market. We'll go over that. Asim, welcome Asim. Guys, we'll get started shortly. Hey, Bill. Welcome, Bill. Welcome.
Hey, dude.
Hello. This evening, guys, is our Q&A. So this is your opportunity to ask any questions on the markets, systems, trading in general, right? And we'll also go over what's developing in the markets. Those of you who are here for the first time, welcome. Guys, we do these classes every evening, Sundays through Thursdays, and every other Friday. So welcome. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to share my trading screen. And again, this is Q&A this evening. So any questions that you guys have, this is an open forum. So any questions, anything you guys want to discuss, just shout it out, all right? Or raise your hands and we'll get started here. And we'll also go over the markets. Any questions, guys, as we open up this evening? Any questions at all? You guys want to take a look at anything, any symbols, anything at all? All right. So if you guys just interrupt me as I go through the markets. There's some things I do want to touch on this evening. All right. Forex. Did anyone get into any of the yen positions? Right. We'd send out a message on the yen positions. Did anyone get in? Or you guys still waiting?
Yeah, I got in on a couple this morning, David.
Okay, very good. Which ones did you get in, Bill?
Aussie yen and CAD yen.
Aussie yen and CAD yen. So Aussie, all right, hold on. Aussie yen. Okay, and CAD yen. Okay, we'll take a look at those. Anyone else? Did anyone else get in any of those pairs? No one. Okay. All right. Let's go through what's developing in the Forex market, right? So we know we're still consolidated, right? So we only have 20 pairs out of our 57 pairs that are above 20. So only 20 pairs above 20 and trying to break out. All right. So, you know, this is not a rotation. So we're not calling a rotation. This is just, we noticed that out of the pairs right here, we have all the pairs gave buy signals starting last night, I believe, and into today. So we only have one pair that doesn't have a buy signal. All right, so that is encouraging for the yen pairs, but not the overall Forex market. All right, so this is tradable. This is a trade. We'll take it. But again, I wouldn't, you know, put a lot of capital to work. Okay, so just be careful. If we look here, I want to go through some of these. We'll see here, right? ZAR yen has a buy signal. All right. Dollar yen has a buy signal right here. TRY JPY has a buy signal right here. All right. SGD JPY has a buy signal right here. I like this one here. New Zealand yen has a buy signal. All right. HKD has a buy signal right here. All right. Pound yen, I don't believe pound yen has a buy. Pound yen still holding. All right. Euro yen has a buy signal right here. All right. This is a good setup here. Swiss yen also has a buy signal. We'll take a look at Swiss yen. CAD yen. CAD yen has a buy signal right here. And then Aussie yen, so Bill, this is yours here, has a buy signal right here. All right. So the fact that we've got, guys, all the pairs, yen pairs except for one has a buy signal. So that's good. That's encouraging. All right. But we still consolidating a bit, right? The overall market. So we're not calling a rotation, right? This is simply trading the group. All right. If things develop, right? If things really start to move, then we will certainly call a rotation if it happens. All right. Any questions on this? Any questions on this? Any questions? Bill, did you so you in your Aussie yen and CAD yen? Let's take a look at Aussie yen. Aussie yen. This is Aussie yen here. So we will look to test this resistance again. All right. So we'll look to test resistance again. Remember, guys, remember your levels because last time we failed, right? Hey, Chris, welcome, Chris. Last time we failed, so we'll look to test that area again. All right, so here is resistance. Let's draw it out. We've got pretty good resistance right here. Here is resistance. Resistance here. All right, this is where it failed before, right? We were looking for it to break resistance, failed here. All right, test it again. All right, we never got a buy signal, came all the way back to support. Remember, we didn't take this short trade. You guys remember that, right? We didn't take this short trade, right? Failed, right? Support here, support here, support here, support here. All right, so the hope is that, so Bill, hold on to it. The hope is that we retest this resistance here again. All right, so that's our target, to test this resistance and then hopefully break out. All right, so we're gonna test it again. Similar to here, this buy signal here is very close to this buy signal here. All right, you see that? You guys see that?
Yep. Yeah, I see it.
Yeah, so hold on to it, Bill. Hopefully we can test that resistance, break it. All right, we've tested it a few times, it failed. We'll even count this here. All right, so sellers came in here, sellers came in here, sellers came in here, sellers came in here. So hopefully this time around we can break resistance. Okay, so and most of the pairs will look similar. All right, most of the pairs, the yen pairs will look a lot like this. All right, okay.
David, could you look at pound yen?
Pound yen, yes, let's do that. All right, pound yen. So we'll leave this up here. Pound yen. Pound yen doesn't have a buy signal yet, but let's draw it out. It should come soon, along with the other pairs. All right. Okay, so here is support down here. Guys, remember, always draw in your support and resistance lines, okay? Always draw in your support and resistance lines. Resistance is here, all right? And we're just waiting for a buy signal, all right? If pound yen gives a buy signal, we want to jump on it, all right? Hey, Corey, welcome. All right.
Hey, David.
All right. Hello. So resistance here failed, resistance. Resistance. This was the last trade we looked at pound yen, right? Right, and we were testing this resistance here. It failed. All right, we didn't take this trade here. All right, we didn't take this one here. So pretty good resistance right here. Pretty good support. All right, here was the short that we didn't take. Right, support. So if we can get above this area right here, we should get a buy signal, all right, on pound yen, and then look to test this again. All right, our goal is to test this resistance and finally break out. If we can break out of this resistance here, guys, it should be really good. All right.
But not go in heavy when we get a buy signal until we get to that resistance, right?
Yeah, I would, trade light in here. All right, once we break here convincingly, then you guys can go a bit heavier. All right, and it could happen because the market Forex has been consolidating. All right, and you know, here's a yen pair here, a yen pair here, a yen pair here, a yen pair here. So we are getting in early, right, guys? Here's another one here. All right. So we're getting in early, but if it works out, it'll be great, right? And Forex is due for a breakout, right? It is due for a breakout. So it is encouraging, very encouraging to see the yen pairs forming. Like I said, we got buy signals for every single pair within the last 24 hours, right? Except for pound yen. So that's really encouraging. All right. So it could be the next the yen pairs could be the next rotation. All right. So start taking positions. I wouldn't go heavy, but you guys should definitely start taking positions. Okay. And then your other one was so pound yen, CAD yen. CAD yen is all of these are setting up really nice, guys. Let's see here.
Can we do SGD when you get a chance?
SGD, okay. SGD. All right. All right. Okay. So same thing here, guys. Same thing here with CAD yen. All right. And you could trade a few. I wouldn't trade too many, but here, pretty good resistance here. We'll call this one here, right? Where the sellers came in, shorts came in, shorts came in. All right. And shorts came in here, shorts came in here. So again, buy signal here, and we're looking to test resistance here. All right. This is a nice consolidation, nice long consolidation. So it's due for a breakout. All right. It's due for a breakout. All right. And again, right, we've seen that consolidation in here. Right. So, all right. So Ray SGD, let's take a look at that. All right. All right. SGD. All right. All right. Same thing here. All right. So we can start getting a little, not too excited, but this is encouraging. All right.
David, you said earlier you like this trade. How come?
I like which trade?
This one here, the Singapore dollar, right? When we were first going, didn't you say you liked this one?
No, I thought it was the Swiss. I think it was a Swiss yen.
Oh, was it?
Yeah. But I like, this is good too, right? What's nice about this one, it's trading near resistance, right? So it's not going to take much to get through here. All right. So the buy signal is a bit high, but you don't have a lot. And I'll show you guys here what I'm looking at. So this one is good too. So resistance is here, right? Resistance, or we'll count this resistance, right? This all failed, right? Resistance, right? This is where the sellers came in. So we have to be careful. Sellers came in here, and here we are here, buy signal right here. All right. And look how far we are. We are not that far, all right, from that resistance. Okay, it's not like we're starting all the way down here. We have to work our way up. We're right here. All right. So this is very encouraging, guys. No guarantee, right? But this is very encouraging that, they're looking to test this resistance again. All right. And it's very similar to all the yen pairs. Okay. So I would definitely keep this one. Good job, Ray. This is one we need to keep on the radar. All right. If we can just get through here, you can take a small position, right? Once it breaks through that resistance, and you guys might get something like this. When they break through, they break through with a big candle, kind of like this candle right here. All right. So you want to be on top of it. All right. And it happens quick. All right. So you guys should be all over these. Now, don't go heavy. All right. Don't go heavy. Sellers could come back in here, you know, and bring us back down. So we've got to clear this area here. All right. Okay. So here, 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 all this whole area here. That's your wall. Okay. So we got to get through there. All right. The one I like, and that doesn't mean it will work out, right? But let's see here. Swiss yen. I like this one here. All right. It's not as wide. It's not as wide, but it's got pretty good price action. Okay. So if you guys look here, right, the system is treating it really well. All right. So if you guys look here. All right, so here was a previous buy signal, sell signal for a profitable trade. Buy signal, sell signal for a profitable trade. Buy signal, sell signal for a profitable trade. So the system is trading Swiss yen really nice, right? So good, not a lot of choppiness, right? And now we've got a buy signal right here. All right. And so now we head into this resistance here, right? And it's a pretty clean chart, right? It's very clean right here. So resistance, right? Resistance, support here. And now our target is right here. You guys see that? But good trading by the system, all right? So I do like this one here, and not very wide. It's not a very wide channel. All right. So, all right. All right. You guys see that? All right, look at that.
Yeah, I see it.
Yeah. If we and nice markup phase. Look at that. Nice big candle here. Right. So whenever you guys see this big candle, big buyers, that's confirmation, right? That nice big candle, solid right here. Look here. Higher highs, higher lows, right? So higher lows, see, nice, solid, right? Fine. So we just need that to follow that all the way up here. Break that resistance and then move higher, right? You might get a pullback a bit. Okay. All right. So you guys should be getting in these pairs.
Hey, David, can you look at the Aussie yen when you get a chance?
Aussie yen. Okay.
Yeah.
We'll look at it again. All right. Are you in that one, Corey?
Yes.
Okay. So Aussie yen. All right. So Aussie yen looks good also. All right. A little choppy in here, but that's fine. That's fine. Our goal is to get it, okay, get it up in this, and it's not too far, Corey. All right, it's not too far. It got through all of this right here. All right. So hold on to it. Right. We got a buy signal here, big candle here, right here, this candle right here. Big candle. Watch out for these big candles. When you guys get these big candles, watch out because that's buyers are coming in. All right. So these big candles, that's really good. All right. And look at here. Good price action in here. Right. There is your buy signal right here. And green candles moving up nicely. Okay. Heading, we want to test resistance right here, Corey. All right. So the only concern is if it gets up to this area right here. If it gets up here, you hold the trade, but just know that sellers could come in here. Sellers could come in here, just like they did here. All right. So just hold steady. All right. And we'll review it. Yeah, we'll review it. Okay. Don't go heavy, right? You can perhaps get heavier. start building more positions after we break through here. All right.
What would you say is what would you say like how on like in terms of units, like what would you consider heavy for this kind of trade?
Well, everyone is different, right? So we have, everyone has different experience, level of experience, different capital. So
Oh.
I would say whatever you've been trading, if you've been trading two lots, you might want to go to one, just by half. If you've been trading, if you're still working things out, right, brand new, you're doing 1 unit, 1,000 units rather, you might just stick with that. Okay.
Got it.
Okay. Yeah. So those of you who've been trading longer, you put on more capital. I would say just do half, just a half a position, and then after you get through, because guess what? We're still consolidating in here. All right. So once we get past here, we should be good. All right. So just understand what's above us, right? We've got resistance above us.
Got it.
All right, but good job getting in these trades. All right, Chris, are you in any of the trades? Did you get in any of these? I know Bill got in, Corey, Ray. All right, Chris, if you're not in this, you should look to get in. All right. Let's see here. That's the only trade right now for Forex. And let's see out of the 20, Gary, you should take a small position. You can take a position in here. If out of the 20, we've got one yen pair here, a second one, a third, a fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh here. So almost half of the pairs are yen pairs. All right. And that's not to the short side. This is to the long side, right? All right. And then one here, one here, one here. So, all right. All right. Any other questions, whether it's Forex or any other market, any of the other markets or anything else? Any other questions? All right.
Could we look at Euro USD?
Euro USD. All right, Robert. Let's see here. Euro USD. All right. Euro long or short?
For short.
For short. All right. It's not ready yet.
Okay.
All right. Yeah, it's not ready yet. For short, things might be setting up for a short. Let's see here. So we've got new down. So new down, right? In Euro USD, new down. So yeah, that might happen. I would draw in this on the 240-minute time frame if you're looking for a short. Let's see here. All right. So a short would have to come in,
After
right?
the break.
Yeah. Let's do this. Hold on one second here. Let's put it on the short system. All right. Okay. So, and it's had some pretty good shorts too. So here is resistance here, and here is support. All right. So, pretty good trading here. Here was a short. Here is a short here, Robert.
Yes,
All
sir.
right. And then a buy to cover. So that was a decent trade. There was an even better trade here. Short, right here, buy to cover, right? So this one failed, the short failed, right? So went short, then had to cover when the longs came in. So I would wait for it to break, get below like 101.01.
Okay.
Right here,
Perfect.
right, to go short. Yeah, but you could get, if you look here, Let's see here. If you look here, now it's a bit extended, all right, but that doesn't mean you can't get another move lower, all right. So this is what we're looking for. All right, so here, resistance, support, right? Short, resistance, support, broke support here, went short, broke support here, when short, red candles here, red candles here. So we're looking for the same thing here.
Perfect.
Right, resistance, support, break support. And that's the best trade. So I'm glad you said short, because that's the best trade that's setting up. All right. And the whole group, most of the pairs in the group are starting to go short. So you might get an opportunity there. All right.
Perfect.
All right. Good job. Good job. Anyone else? Anyone else? Anyone else? All right. Let's take a look at cryptos. Nothing here yet. Nothing here yet with Bitcoin. All right. So let's see here. Is anyone do we have anyone here in stocks? Any stocks? Are you guys in any stocks? All right. You guys need to pay attention to this. All right. Some of our stock boss traders are doing really well. I heard from some of our traders today, and they're really happy with their positions. Okay. So look to if you, I know, you know, Forex is exciting, but there are opportunities going on in the equity markets. Okay. So and the market was up today, not by a lot, all right, but still holding buy signals, right? Still holding buy signals on the 240, right? VIX is coming down, but a lot of opportunities, guys. So, you know, I know even if you do not trade stocks, right? You can open a small account and then just at least, you know, get into some positions. Healthcare still looking good. So we'll go through a few of these. All right, look at this here. All right, look at this. Nice markdown phase. All right, perfect buy signal here. All right, 590. Right. All right. So look at that here. So keep an eye on healthcare. All right. All right. Bill, are you in any? You're not in any stocks, Bill?
No, I'm just doing a sniper trade on Fridays.
Sniper. Okay. Okay. Sniper. All right. Those of you who trade sniper, you guys should start looking for some stocks, right? This is, look here, nice buy signal here on this one here. Nice markdown phase. Look at that, very clean markdown phase. All right, look at that, very clean markdown phase, right? Came from 35, it's at 690. All right. All right, and then technology is making a move too, right? So technology stocks are making a move too. Let's see here. All right, this looks like one is setting up. Look at that. All right, this buy signal was 181. It's at 223. All right, so I think we called this one last week. Buy signal was at 75. It's at 88. All right, so. And Ray, you're not in any stocks, Ray?
AMC,
AMC?
AMC.
Yeah, AMC. Oh my goodness. You know, we traded AMC a while back with GameStop. Is it making a move? Look at that. Okay. I haven't watched.
GameStop made a move too this morning at the same time.
Oh, really?
Between 9 and 10, you got that long bar.
Okay. Yeah.
Some of my people are telling me the squeeze might be starting, but you know how that goes.
Yeah. Yeah. All right. Good trade. Good trade. Good trade here. You know, for me, that's expensive, right? A $23 stock is expensive. Now we do have more expensive stocks in Bullmaster, right? In Bullmaster here. But all right. All right. Anything else? Anything else? That's all I've got. That's all I've got. All right. Nothing in the futures market. All right. I would say just focus on it's nice that we can start trading again in Monster Scalper, right? So just like I said, don't go heavy, right? All right. Hopefully, I'm liking Swiss yen. All right. I like the price action here. All right. So, and I like the way it's been trading. It's been trading really well. All right. Trading really well by the system. Okay. So hopefully we get a nice break above resistance here. All right. It held support. All right. So buyers are coming in. All right. All right, guys, we're going to end here, right? We don't have a lot of information tonight, so we're going to end here. Stay with the yen pairs, right? Stay with them, all right? We should see things open up. If the yen pairs move higher, right, and they start to break out, we'll see volatility come in, all right, into Forex, and we'll see things open up a bit, all right? All right, so get in your positions and hold. Don't watch your margins, right? Watch your margins. And the goal is to break through here, break through that resistance. All right. All right. Any questions, guys? Anything else before I leave?
Have a beautiful evening, sir.
All right. Thanks.
Yes,
Thanks.
could I talk to you about some one-on-ones?
Yeah, Robert. Yeah. Just send me a text, Robert. All right. Send
Okay,
me a
what's your
text.
number?
407-733-0185.
Okay, repeat that one more
Okay.
time.
407-733-0185. And yeah, contact me. And we've got information on the website too. So if you guys go here, if you look here at the bottom here, monstertradingsystems.com. All right. But contact me, Robert, and we'll go through the
Perfect,
details.
thank you.
Okay, guys. All right. See you guys tomorrow. All right. For new traders, we're doing, for those of you who are first time with us, all right, or new to trading, we have a class tomorrow for beginning traders. All right. Same time, 7 p.m. All right. See you guys later. Take care. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Goodbye. Bye-bye.